you're all fine. I have already taught you about noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, and interjection. So today's topic is conjunction, another very important part of parts of speech. So let's start. What are conjunctions? Conjunctions are used to join clauses, phrases, and words together for constructing sentences. Conjunctions make a link between or among words or group of words to other parts of the sentence and show a relationship between or among them. They join words or maybe two parts of a sentence. Maybe two sentences are joined by a conjunction, or maybe two words. Few examples: Alex and Robin are playing together. Alex and Robin, they are joined by and, the word and. It's a conjunction. Alex plays well, but Robin plays better than him. You can see someone plays well and other one does not. That is why they are joined by but. Next, I play cricket and Robin plays football. When he was sick, I went to see him. Okay, these were a few examples. Now, types of conjunctions. Number 1, coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and number 3, subordinating conjunctions. So, let's start with first one, coordinating conjunctions. The job of a coordinating conjunction is to join two words, phrases, or independent clauses which are parallel in structure. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions which are by far the most common conjunctions, and they are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. They are also called fanboys acronym. Why? Take the first letter from each of the words. FANBOYS. It's fanboys acronym. It's very funny. Okay, few examples. We went to the stadium and enjoyed the cricket match. So, we went to the stadium is a phrase or part of a sentence, and enjoyed the cricket match is a part, and they are joined by and. Do you want an ice cream or chocolate? Between ice cream and chocolate, you can see that ice cream is an option and chocolate. In between, there is or. Go away and never come back. Go away itself is a sentence, never come back is also a sentence, and they are joined by and. Second one, correlative conjunctions. A correlative conjunction uses a set of words in a parallel sentence structure to show a contrast or to compare the equal parts of a sentence. The words of correlative conjunctions have a special connection between them. Few examples: not only but also, either or, neither nor, both and, not but, whether or. Few examples: neither Alex nor Robin can play baseball. I want both ice cream and chocolate. He ate not only the ice cream but also the chocolate. That means set of words that are comparing the equal parts of a sentence. That means Alex is a part in the first sentence and also Robin, and they are compared by neither and also nor. Same goes for both and also the last sentence, not only but also. Okay, the last one, subordinating conjunctions. A subordinating conjunction joins elements of an unparalleled sentence structure. These elements are usually a dependent clause and an independent clause, and most commonly used subordinating conjunctions after, how, than, when, although, it, that, where, as, in order that, though, which, as much as, unless, while, because, provided, until, who or whom, before, since, what, whoever, whomever. A lot of examples. Okay, few examples in sentences. Before we left home, I had my breakfast. When he was washing my car, I went to the store. Even though the weather was horrible, they still went outside. That means they're actually unparalleled sentences. First one, before we left home, I had my breakfast. I left home, I did something, leaving home. But before that, I had my breakfast. That is a positive sign. They are unparalleled. Even he was washing my car, I went to the store. That means I was supposed to stand beside my car when he was washing it. But what I did, I went to the store. I mean, two different things, you know. Same goes for the third one. Okay, these were the conjunction and its types. So this is it. I hope you all have seen the video in detail and understood it as well. And I'm gonna send few exercises like noun, pronoun, adjective, interjection, verb, and you have to send me those to my WhatsApp number personally as soon as possible, like you always do. So thank you so much. And